Wish you could go for a 30-day trip with this without worrying about laundry or ironing at all, or be comfortable without compromising your style. Now you can with the ultimate travel clothing. After 2 years of hard work, we developed the most advanced t-shirts and jeans you've ever seen. Our partner, in conjunction with the Southampton University, developed anti-odor, antibacteria fibers that outperform merino wool and silver by up to 53%. This means you can wear our t-shirts for about 10 days without washing. Do the math. That's 10 times less luggage space and 10 times less water and time spent on laundry. Trust me, it's like magic. Did you know that 85% of the carbon footprint of clothing happens when we do laundry? Well, if you owned 5 of our t-shirts, you would only do laundry 7 times a year. Our planet will thank you.
What's up everybody, this is Felipe from Backpacking Lawyer, and I just wanted to let you know that I've been wearing this shirt for the past 7 consecutive days in a row, and so far, no smell, or at least not that I'm aware of, no wrinkles, and it's still soft just as the first day. Big shout out to Frechie for this amazing product. Thanks so much guys.
I have been traveling for more than 40 days with the same t-shirt and it works like magic. Didn't have to wash it or iron it, free of smell, and I used to be a fan of merino wool and I'm never coming back.
We also made them wrinkle resistant. Say goodbye to ironing forever. Our clothes are so comfortable and functional that they will change the way you travel forever. Thanks to our unique fabric, our jeans will feel like pajama pants, but will be the coolest jeans you've ever had. If these are not the most comfortable jeans you've ever owned, we'll give you a full refund. Yeah, you heard that right. We also included a strap system. That replaces a belt so you can go through airport security like a pro. And don't worry, you can still use a belt on top of it. We know traveling can be risky. That's why we included 2 secret pockets for your valuables. Oh, almost forgot to mention. We also decided to launch the all-new anti-theft speed backpack, the world's most engineered travel and everyday backpack. It features a patented anti-theft magnetic closure that allows super fast access without compromising security. Patented self-adjusting strap system that keeps the same tension on both shoulders at all times. It's expandable from 20 to 40 liters to help you go from a daily bag to a travel bag in seconds. Padded pockets specially designed for a DSLR camera. Opens like a suitcase for easy packing. Rain-resistant fabrics and YKK zippers to keep your belongings dry, even under the worst weather conditions. External water-resistant pockets for dirty items you don't want to put inside the bag. 29 pockets for maximum organization. Removable chest strap to help you distribute the weight. Carry-on friendly. Laptop compartment. And much more. If you want to be the most comfortable person on the planet, and you also care about style, come join the Frechie family, the place where style meets function.